model, 65-plate Peugeot Partner 1.6 HDI 75 Professional L1. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 162226. MOT, the 2nd of October 2025. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 ETEDA. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing. Straightforward turbo replacement job. Engine starts and sounds perfect. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, electric windows, 2 keys, air con, parking sensors, cruise control. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199972.